Guys, it's your girl Judy back with another slide video. Thank you for hanging on in there. I know I've been out for a few days, but I am back with another slide video of the new 2022 Easter and spring lines that are coming and out on shelves. I just wanted to give you a heads up of the things that are hitting shelves, just in case you like anything in this video. You put it on your list of things to buy next, because trust me, these are it. And color is in right now. Take a look. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, as you see, color is in for this season of Easter and spring. And how beautiful are all these colors? I am telling you, if you love anything in this slide video, put it on your list, so when you go to the stores, you know what to look for. But I wanted to really show you this one. This is the speckled line. They have mugs, they have measuring cups, they have canisters, they have anything that they can speckle, they did. And I'm not sure if you're loving this, but this is cute. It's kind of like that speckled egg Easter kind of look, and I am digging it. I would not buy every single item, but I would buy a few. Now this here, I don't know, it's got me questioning. Would you buy this sweetheart right here with the little legs just flapping in the air like that? Comment down below and let me know. But here we are back to these speckled line. They have speckled everything and it's cute. I can just see these Rae Dunn displays all over the internet, just going crazy. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Here we are back with the speckled look. Take a look at these pictures. These are measuring cups and these are salt and pepper shakers, and I think these are cute. I don't know, I find these cute. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking and let you enjoy the rest of the video, because if I keep talking, I'm just gonna ruin it for you. Enjoy, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. I've missed you. I haven't heard from you guys and ladies in a while, so comment down below. I would appreciate that. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.